Namaskar, Rajasthan. I am Israel Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy. I was also a civil service aspirant few years before. I was not a school topper. I was not a college topper, quite an average student. However, I could clear this civil service exam twice. First, I got All India 294 rank and got IRTS. Again, I wrote and got All India 59th rank and got IAS. The reason for me clearing the civil service exam was not that I was very intelligent. No, quite an ordinary guy. However, I knew the right strategies, the right approach. Each stage, prelims, mains, and interview, are three different approaches. I've seen so many students. See, I am running Officers IAS Academy last 12 years. We are in Delhi, we are in Chennai. So many students who are clearing from Officers IAS Academy, they are not extraordinarily intelligent people and all, quite average students. However, they know the right strategies. Many students do that hard work. See, hard work is very important. However, hard work alone will not lead you to Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration. Rather, it is hard work combined with right strategies. Now, what are those right strategies? What are those right strategies for prelims, mains, and interview? I'll be there in Jaipur on 23rd of November to meet each one of you. If you're interested to join this seminar and understand the right approach to clear the civil service exam, please call the number given in the description of this video and our counselor will tell you the details of this program. Thank you from Israel Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy.